How to manage customer service teams in HubSpot. In today's digital age, effective customer service is more crucial than ever. HubSpot offers powerful tools to help manage customer service teams, streamline communication, and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, we will explore how to efficiently manage your customer service teams using HubSpot's features. First, let's talk about team collaboration. HubSpot provides a centralized platform where team members can easily communicate, share notes, and collaborate on customer inquiries. Utilizing the ticketing system allows team members to track customer issues, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. This transparency not only improves team efficiency, but also boosts accountability among team members. Next, we'll discuss automating repetitive tasks. HubSpot's automation tools can help reduce the workload on your customer service team, allowing them to focus on providing exceptional support. You can set up automated responses for common queries, assign tickets to the appropriate team member based on their expertise, and even schedule follow-up reminders to ensure timely communication with customers. Another important aspect is performance tracking. HubSpot's reporting features allow you to monitor key performance indicators, such as response times and customer satisfaction scores. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement and recognize top-performing team members. Regular team reviews based on these metrics can foster a culture of growth and excellence within your customer service team. Furthermore, providing ongoing training and resources will empower your team. HubSpot's knowledge base can help your team access important information and guidelines, keeping everyone equipped to handle customer inquiries effectively. Encourage a culture of continuous learning, where team members can share best practices and insights gleaned from their interactions with customers.